Hello plants enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel where we delve into the enchanting world of indoor gardening. Today I'm excited to share my top variegated plants that are sure to elevate your garden and bring joy to your life. Which plant will captivate you? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gardening inspiration.
First up, we have the stunning Ceropegia Woodii, also known as the String of Hearts. Did you know that over 3 years, this plant began to grow healthy green shoots, which needed to be removed to maintain its pure variegated appearance? Fun fact, this plant is native to South Africa and propagates easily from cuttings and tubers that form both in the soil and on the stems. This unique variety of the popular peace lily showcases beautiful leaves with intricate patterns of white and vibrant green. Like other peace lilies, City of Angels produces elegant white blooms, called spaths, that rise above the foliage on tall, slender stems. This variety is relatively low maintenance, making it a perfect choice for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. Spathyphillum variegata City of Angels thrives in bright light and appreciates morning and evening direct sun but can tolerate lower light conditions, though this may affect the intensity of its variegation. It prefers consistently moist soil, similar to what ferns require. Next, feast your eyes on the striking Stromanta Triostar. Its bold variegated foliage, featuring shades of pink, green, and cream, adds a tropical vibe to your indoor oasis. Fun fact, Stromanta plants fold their leaves upward at night, earning them the nickname prayer plants. Did you know that they belong to the Marantaceae family, which includes other popular houseplants like Calatheas? This plant tends to produce almost entirely green leaves during the fall and winter months. Don't worry, as the days get longer in spring, the beautiful variegation will return on the new leaves. Moving on to the classic Monstera deliciosa borsajana variegata, also known as the variegated Swiss cheese plant, and Monstera Thai constellation. Monstera borsajana quickly forms a vine with sparsely spaced medium-sized leaves. Good fenestration is only prominent in mature plants. On the other hand, Thai constellation grows more in width, with closely spaced leaves exhibiting excellent fenestration, significantly larger in size. Fun fact, Monstera plants are climbers in their natural habitat, using aerial roots to cling to trees. Never trim the aerial roots, instead, guide them either into the soil or towards a support structure. Up next is Gynura variegata, also known as purple passion vine. Its deep purple leaves, with contrasting variegation, add a vibrant touch to your indoor garden. There was a 3-year period when this plant thrived and bloomed in my indoor conditions. However, as my plant collection expanded, it seemed to receive less attention, and the plant began to wither. I propagated cuttings from its remaining parts and am now regrowing it from scratch. Fun fact, purple passion vine is not only visually stunning but also edible, with leaves that have a tangy flavor. Moving along, let's admire Hoya Compacta variegata, known for its waxy, variegated leaves and fragrant flowers. Perfect for hanging baskets or trailing down shelves, Hoya adds a touch of natural beauty to any space. I cultivated my Hindu rope plant from a single cutting, patiently awaiting the moment when the shoot would grow long enough to divide one rope into 3. After successfully rooting the cuttings, I planted them together to encourage further growth. Fun fact, Hoyas are epiphytic plants, meaning they grow on other plants, but are not parasitic. Did you know that some species of Hoya produce clusters of star-shaped flowers with a sweet chocolate fragrance? This is my Hoya Bella, with variegated leaf edges, also known as alba marginata. It grew from a single cutting. A few years ago, it was just 4 leaves in a pot, and now it branches out on its own. Amazing! Let's not forget the Phalaenopsis orchid, renowned for its exquisite blooms and variegated foliage. Available in a myriad of colors and patterns, Phalaenopsis orchids bring elegance and grace to your indoor garden. Fun fact, Phalaenopsis orchids are epiphytic plants, meaning they grow on other plants, but are not parasitic. My Phalaenopsis orchids grow in transparent pots with a substrate mixture of bark and moss. Did you know that they are also known as moth orchids due to their resemblance to moth wings? Dracaena Milky Way is next, featuring creamy white spots scattered across its dark green foliage, resembling a star-studded sky. Visually striking, Dracaena Milky Way is a must-have for any plant lover. This plant is easy to care for, but very slow-growing. I initially acquired this plant as a cutting, which showed no growth over 2 years. Consequently, I purchased a young plant with 3 small branches in a pot, which transformed into this bushy specimen within 4 years. Fun fact, Dracaena is a genus of over 100 species of trees and succulent shrubs native to Africa and Asia. Did you know that they are often referred to as dragon trees due to their spiky foliage? Now, behold the snake plant Metallica, a modern twist on a classic favorite. Its light green leaves with metallic silver variegation add sophistication and style to any setting. Like many variegated plants, my Metallica grows green shoots. If left unchecked, they will eventually dominate, causing the plant to revert entirely to green. Next on our list is Euphorbia Cristata lactea white ghost, also known as the variegated elkhorn. Its succulent stems with striking white variegation create a sculptural masterpiece in any collection. Fun fact, my lactea Euphorbia is grafted onto a succulent plant for accelerated growth. This understock, needs to be protected from excessive moisture and complete shading, otherwise, the variegated graft will perish without roots. Euphorbia lactea is a species of succulent native to Madagascar and parts of Africa. Did you know that its milky latex sap can be toxic and irritating to the skin? There you have it, my top 10 variegated plants that are sure to inspire and enchant. Which one caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more gardening inspiration. These aren't the only variegated plants I've been collecting over the past 8 years. If you're curious to see more of my variegated plant collection, just give me a shout. Until next time, happy planting!